Good day, everyone. I would like to extend my respectful greetings to the University President of the University of Caloocan City, the Vice Presidents, members of the University Executive Council, the officials and staff of the Research and Development Center, our distinguished keynote speakers and panelists, STEM researchers, faculty members, graduate students, and all participants of the Collaborative Interdisciplinary Research and Creative Linkages in Education Summit 2025 or Circles 2025. So my name is Dr. Marmilo Abante, and it is truly an honor to serve as one of the keynote speakers for this important academic gathering. My work lies at the intersection of policy leadership and research mentorship, focusing on how higher education institution can strategically integrate artificial intelligence, interdisciplinary research, and quality assurance frameworks to strengthen teaching, research, governance, and community engagement. Over the years, I have been actively involved in research mentoring, program development, and institutional assessment, supporting universities and colleges in building evidence-based, innovative, innovation-driven, and academic culture. The theme of this summit, Education 4.0, Multidisciplinary Research for a Sustainable Future-Ready University, speaks directly to the realities confronting higher education today. Universities and colleges are now challenged not only to adapt emerging technologies, but to do so through sound policy direction, ethical leadership, and collaborative research ecosystems that ensures long-term relevance and social impact. In my keynote address, I will be sharing insights on how artificial intelligence and multidisciplinary research can inform institutional policies, leadership, strategies, and research practices, enabling universities and colleges to become more adaptive, inclusive, and socially responsive. This talk will emphasize the importance of aligning innovation with academic values, national development goals, and the shared responsibility of educators and researchers in shaping the future of higher education in our country. So this presentation begins with a central premise that higher education institutions are no longer operating within stable or predictable environments. Universities and colleges today are situated at the intersection of rapid technological advancement, increasing societal expectation, and urgent sustainability challenges. Now, artificial intelligence in particular has emerged not merely as a technological tool, but as a strategic enabler, capable of reshaping teaching, research, governance, and community engagement. This talk will explore how universities and colleges can meaningfully integrate AI while advancing sustainable innovation in a responsible and future-oriented manner. So the concept of future-ready universities and colleges implies institutional preparedness across multiple dimensions. It includes digital readiness, organizational agility, ethical governance, faculty capacity, and societal relevance. AI integration should therefore not be approached as an isolated technological upgrade, but as part of broader transformation agenda that aligns academic missions with global development priorities, workforce demands, and community needs. Sustainable innovation further strengthens this framing by emphasizing long-term value creation rather than short-term efficiency gains. Universities and colleges are expected to generate solutions that are economically viable, socially inclusive, and environmentally responsible. AI, when thoughtfully deployed, can support these objectives by enhancing decision-making, expanding access to education, and enabling data-informed strategies for institutional stability. Throughout this discussion or talk, I will connect theory to practice, drawing from global higher education trends, policy considerations, and real-world institutional experiences. The goal is to provide a coherent framework that academic leaders, faculty members, and policymakers can use to guide strategic decisions in AI-enabled future of higher education. Yes. The urgency for future readiness in universities and colleges stems from profound shifts in how knowledge is produced, disseminated, and applied. Traditional models of higher education, characterized by rigid curricula, discipline-bound research, and linear career pathways, are increasingly misaligned with the complexities of the contemporary world. Technological disruption, particularly through AI and automation, is redefining skills, requirements, and reshaping labor markets at an unprecedented pace. From an institutional perspective, universities and colleges face mounting pressures related to student employability, research impact, funding sustainability, and global competitiveness. Governments and accreditation bodies now demand measurable outcomes, innovation-driven research, and demonstrable social contributions. In this context, future readiness becomes both a strategic necessity and a quality assurance imperative. AI plays an essential role in this transformation by enabling universities and colleges to respond proactively rather than reactively. Predictive analytics, learning management system enhanced by AI, and research intelligence platforms allow institutions to anticipate trends, personalize learning pathways, and optimize resource allocation. However, without a clear strategic vision, AI adoption risk becoming fragmented and ineffective. And this talk underscored the need for intentional leadership and system thinking. Future readiness requires alignment among institutional strategy, academic culture, technological infrastructure, and ethical frameworks. Universities and colleges that succeed are those that treat AI integration as long-term investment in institutional resilience and societal relevance. Education 4.0 represents a paradigm shift aligned with the fourth industrial revolution, where learning is increasingly personalized, technology-enabled, and lifelong in nature. Unlike earlier education models focused on standardization, Education 4.0 emphasizes adaptability, creativity, and learner-centered approaches. AI serves as foundational technology supporting this transition by enabling responsive and data-driven educational environment. Within teaching and learning, AI supports adaptive content delivery, intelligent tutoring systems, and real-time feedback mechanisms. And these technologies allow our professors to move beyond one-size-fits-all pedagogy and address diverse learner needs more effectively. And for students, AI-enhanced platforms provide flexible pathways that accommodate different learning paces, styles, and goals. At the institutional level, AI contributes to academic planning and quality assurance because learning analytics can identify at-risk students, evaluate curriculum effectiveness, and inform evidence-based intervention. And this strengthens institutional capacity to uphold equity, retention, and student success, a key indicators of educational quality in Education 4.0. Importantly, Education 4.0 does not diminish the role of educators. Rather, it redefines faculty roles from content transmitters to learning designers, mentors, and facilitators of higher order thinking. Okay? AI augments human expertise, allowing educators to focus on critical, ethical, and contextual dimension of learning that technology alone cannot address. The transformative AI technologies in higher education. AI technologies transforming higher education can be broadly categorized into learning focus, research focus, and administrative applications. In learning environments, machine learning algorithms analyze learner behavior to optimize content delivery, assessment timing, and instructional strategies. These systems enhance learning efficiency while supporting inclusivity and accessibility. In research, AI accelerates knowledge discovery by enabling large-scale data analysis, pattern recognition, and simulation modeling. Universities and colleges leveraging AI in research can address complex interdisciplinary problems ranging from climate change to public health and smart cities. And this capability strengthens research relevance and societal impact, a key expectation of modern universities and colleges. Administrative functions are also being transformed through AI-powered automation and decision support system. Let's say, for example, enrollment management, resource planning, and performance monitoring benefit from predictive analysis or analytics and intelligent dashboard. These tools enhance transparency, efficiency, and strategic governance. Despite these benefits, transformative AI adoption requires institutional readiness. This include data governance frameworks, cybersecurity measures, faculty training, and ethical oversight. Universities and colleges must ensure that AI systems are transparent, must be accountable, and aligned with academic values to avoid unintended consequences. Enhancing teaching practices through AI. AI has the potential to significantly enhance teaching practices by supporting instructional design, assessment, and feedback processes. Intelligent tutoring systems provide individualized guidance in enabling students to receive immediate, targeted support. And this is particularly valuable in large classes or blended learning environments where personalized interaction is challenging. Assessment practices are also evolving through AI-enabled tools that support formative assessment, automated feedback, and learning diagnostics. These technologies allow educators to focus on deeper evaluation of student understanding rather than routine grading tasks. When used responsibly, AI enhances assessment quality while maintaining academic integrity. From a professional development perspective, AI-generated insights can inform reflective teaching practices. Our faculty members can analyze learning analytics to refine course design. They can identify instructional gaps, and they can improve learner engagement. This fosters a culture of continuous improvement and evidence-based teaching. However, effective integration requires pedagogical alignment. AI tools must support clearly defined learning outcomes and ethical teaching practices. Faculty training and institutional support are essential to ensure that AI enhances rather than replaces meaningful human interaction in our education. Complex societal challenges rarely fall within the boundaries of a single discipline. Multidisciplinary research approaches bring together diverse perspectives, methodologies, and expertise to address real-world problems holistically. Now, AI acts as an enabler in this context by facilitating data integration, collaborative platforms, and cross-disciplinary analysis. Universities and colleges adopting multidisciplinary research frameworks can leverage AI to bridge gap between disciplines such as engineering, IT, social sciences, education, business, health, and environmental studies. And this integration enhances research relevance and innovation capacity, aligning academic output with societal priorities. Institutionally, multidisciplinary research strengthens external partnership with industry, government, and communities. AI-supported research ecosystems enable universities and colleges to contribute actionable insights, policy recommendations, and technological solutions that extends beyond academic publication. So, to sustain multidisciplinary research, universities and colleges must revise incentive systems, funding models, and evaluation criteria. Recognizing collaborative outputs and societal impact is essential for encouraging our faculty and staff participation and institutional commitment. Integrating diverse academic fields is not merely a structural adjustment, but a cultural transformation. Universities and colleges must move from siloed operations toward collaborative ecosystems where knowledge flows across disciplines, units, and external partners. AI provides the infrastructure and analytical capacity needed to support this integration. Cross-disciplinary collaboration enhances innovation by combining technical expertise with social, ethical, and contextual understanding. Let's say, for example, AI-driven educational tools benefit from collaboration between computer scientists, educators, psychologists, and policymakers. Such integration ensures solutions are technically sound and socially responsible. At the strategic level, integrating diverse fields supports sustainable innovation by aligning teaching, research, and extension function. Universities and colleges become platforms for co-creation where students, faculty, staff, and communities collaboratively address development challenges. Integrating diverse fields position universities as catalysts for inclusive growth and knowledge-based development. This talk set the stage for deeper discussions on community engagement, sustainability, and strategic leadership in the succeeding section of this presentation. Fostering innovation in higher education requires a deliberate shift from knowledge transmission toward problem-driven, solution-oriented research. In the context of Education 4.0, innovation is no longer confined to laboratories or theoretical inquiry, but is increasingly embedded in real-world contexts where societal, economic, and technological challenges intersect. Universities and colleges are expected to generate research outputs that are not only publishable, but also actionable, disseminated, and capable of informing policy, improving practices, and responding to community needs. And this repositioning of research underscore the importance of relevance, scalability, and sustainability in innovation initiatives. Innovative solutions for real-world problems are most effective when grounded in interdisciplinary collaboration because complex issues such as digital inclusion, we have climate resilience, public health, and educational equity cannot be adequately addressed through a single disciplinary lens. Research shows that interdisciplinary teams are more likely to produce novel insights and practical solutions because they integrate diverse methodologies, theoretical frameworks, and stakeholder perspectives. In this sense, innovation emerges from convergence, where technology, social sciences, education, and governance inform one another to produce holistic outcomes. Case studies of successful research collaboration highlight the role of structured partnership and shared objectives. Universities and colleges that foster strong linkages with industry, government agencies, and local communities tend to achieve higher research impact. And these collaborations enable access to real-world data, implementation environments, and policy platforms, allowing research findings to move beyond academic dissemination toward tangible application. use. Evidence from collaborative research projects demonstrate that co-creation where stakeholders are involved from problem identification to solution evaluation significantly increases the relevance and uptake of research output. Artificial intelligence and digital technologies further amplify the capacity of collaborative research to address real-world challenges. AI-enabled analytics, simulation tools, and data-driven decision systems allow researchers to model complex phenomena, test interventions, and predict outcomes with greater precision. When integrated responsibly, these technologies enhance innovation by reducing development cycles and supporting evidence-based recommendations. However, research also emphasizes the need for ethical frameworks, data governance, and human oversight to ensure that technological innovation aligns with social values and public trust. Fostering innovation requires universities and colleges to cultivate a research culture that rewards collaboration, impact, and continuous learning. Institutional policies, funding mechanism, as I mentioned earlier, and evaluation system must recognize interdisciplinary and applied research as core academic contributions. Universities and colleges may establish themselves as center of innovations that provide solutions that address real-world issues by providing mentorship, capacity building, and strategic collaboration to academics and researchers. In doing so, higher education institutions fulfill their dual role as centers of knowledge creation and engines of sustainable societal development. Community engagement is a core mandate of Philippine higher education institution under the Commission on Higher Education Framework, particularly through extension services and research utilization. CHED policies emphasize that universities and colleges must actively contribute to community development, capacity building, and knowledge transfer, ensuring that academic expertise addresses societal needs, and this mandate directly supports SDG 4, quality education, by extending learning opportunities beyond the classroom and promoting inclusive lifelong learning for diverse communities, especially those in underserved and marginalized sectors. Artificial intelligence strengthened CHED mandated extension services by enabling evidence-based planning, monitoring, and evaluation of your community programs. In aligning with SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, universities can use AI-driven analytics, digital dashboard, and data mapping tools to assess community needs, track socioeconomic indicators, and design technology-enabled intervention. Philippine universities and colleges collaborating with local government units have applied data analytics to identify priority areas such as digital literacy gaps in public schools, livelihood challenges among micro-entrepreneurs, and disaster vulnerability in coastal and urban communities, ensuring that extension initiatives are responsive and scalable. Okay, from a pedagogical perspective, CHED encourages the integration of service learning and community-based research as part of outcomes-based education. And these practices strongly support SDG 4 by enriching student learning through real-world application while fostering civic responsibility and ethical awareness. In the Philippine setting, students from education, IT, engineering, and social sciences programs are commonly engaged in community-based projects such as ICT training for teachers, digital record system for barangays, and data collection for local planning offices. When supported by AI tools such as needs assessment platforms and learning analytics, this initiatives enhance experiential learning while generating actionable insights for our communities. Strategically, institutionalizing community engagement is essential to advancing SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Universities and colleges must establish clear extension policies, funding mechanisms, and performance indicators to ensure sustainable and accountability. CHED aligned frameworks encourage universities and colleges to synchronize extension programs with LGU development plans, disaster risk reduction strategies, and urban resilience initiative, allowing academic research and innovations to directly support sustainable local development. AI-enabled monitoring system further enhance transparency by tracking outcomes and informing continuous improvement. Effective community engagement thrives on multi-sectoral partnership, directly advancing SDG 17, Partnership for the Goals. CHED promotes collaboration among higher education institutions, government agencies, industry partner, and civil society organizations. Through leveraging AI-enabled collaboration platform and shared data system, universities and colleges can co-create solutions with the stakeholder rather than delivering isolated intervention. And this partnership-driven approach strengthens institutional relevance, fosters shared accountability, and ensures that higher education contributes meaningfully to national development, inclusive growth, and long-term sustainability. Effective universities and colleges community partnership are anchored on mutual trust, shared goals, and sustained collaboration. Moving beyond transactional arrangement toward transformative, co-created relationships. No? In the Philippine context, CHED emphasized that extension and research initiative must be responsive to community needs, recognizing local stakeholders not merely as beneficiaries but as co-producers of knowledge and solutions. Universities and colleges contribute research capacity and technical expertise, while communities provide contextual intelligence and live experience, resulting in more grounded and impactful intervention. A concrete example can be seen in University of Caloocan City, collaboration with nearby institutions such as World City Colleges, local barangays, and LGUs. And this partnership may include joint research on urban education challenges, teacher capacity building programs, digital skills training, and community-based innovation projects. At the international level, similar models are observed in partnership with ASEAN universities and global research networks, where Philippine institutions contribute localized insights were benefiting from shared expertise, funding opportunities, and technology transfer, advancing SDG 17. Artificial intelligence strengthens this partnership by enabling the transparent communication, shared data platforms, and continuous monitoring of project outcomes. Digital collaboration tools allows partners to co-design programs, track progress, and evaluate social impact in real time. Let's say, for example, AI-enabled monitoring system can assess learner outcomes in community education programs or possibly measure the effectiveness of livelihood initiatives, ensuring accountability and evidence-based decision-making aligned with SDG 9. University and colleges, community partnership also play an important role in inclusive and ethical innovation. Institutions of higher education may better guarantee that smart learning platform and digital public services are morally sound, socially relevant, and culturally suitable when they involve local stakeholders in the research and development. Means it makes a culturally appropriate, socially relevant, and ethical grounded. This is especially vital in marginalized and underserved communities, where inappropriate technologies deployment can exacerbate inequality rather than reduce it, directly linking to SDG 11. Sustaining this partnership requires strong institutional leadership and governance. Universities and colleges must establish dedicated partnership offices, incentive structures for faculty engagement, and capacity building programs that align academic rewards with community-oriented outcomes. So clear policies, research department must ensure continuity beyond individual projects for leaders, positioning university community partnership as a strategic pillar of research excellence, social impact, and national development, fully aligned with CHED mandates and the Global Sustainable Development Goal agenda. Community involvement significantly enhances student learning outcomes by contextualizing academic content within real-world application. Students engaged in community-based learning develop deeper conceptual, providing or understanding critical thinking skills and social awareness. And these competencies are increasingly valued in complex and dynamic work environments. AI-enabled learning analytics can assess the impact of community involvement on student performance, engagement, and skill development. Through analyzing reflective outputs, project outcomes, and feedback data, universities can refine community-based learning models and ensure academic rigor. Experiential learning also promotes ethical and civic development. Students gain exposure to social realities, fostering empathy, responsibility, and leadership. And these attributes align with the broader educational goal of developing socially responsible graduates rather than purely technical specialists. And to maximize impact, community involvement must be intentionally integrated into curricula. Clear learning outcomes, structured reflection, and assessment mechanism ensure that experiential activities contribute meaningfully to academic and professional development. Service learning represents a structured approach to integrating community service with academic instruction. Unlike volunteerism, service learning is grounded in curricular objective and reflective practice. Our students apply disciplinary knowledge to address community needs while achieving defined learning outcomes. AI can enhance service learning design and evaluation by supporting project matching, progress monitoring, and outcome assessment. Intelligent platforms can align student skills with community needs, track project milestone, and facilitate reflective learning through digital journals and feedback tools. From an institutional perspective, service learning strengthens civic engagement and public trust. Universities and colleges that embed service learning across programs demonstrate their commitment to social responsibility and inclusive development. This also enhances institutional reputation and stakeholder confidence. Sustaining service learning initiative requires faculty support, institutional recognition, and policy alignment. Professional development and workload consideration ensures that faculty can effectively design and supervise service learning experiences. Community-based projects extend learning and the research beyond campus boundaries, addressing pressing societal challenges through applied inquiry. And these projects often involve interdisciplinary teams working collaboratively with community partners to develop practical solutions. AI-driven research tools support community-based projects by enabling data collection, analysis, and visualization at scale. Let's say, for example, AI can analyze environmental data, public health indicators, or educational outcomes, providing evidence to inform policy and practice. Applied research strengthens the relevance and impact of academic work. Students and faculty engage in problem-oriented inquiry, producing outputs that benefit both academic communities and external stakeholders. And this align research activities with institutional mission and development priorities. Universities and colleges must ensure ethical standards and community participation throughout project life cycles. Respectful engagement, informed consent, and shared ownership of outcomes are essential for sustainable and equitable research partnership. Community involvement has a significant and measurable impact on student learning, particularly the Philippine higher education institutions that actively implement CHED mandated extension and service learning programs. So let's say, for example, when education and IT students participate in community-based projects such as digital literacy training for barangay officials, public school teachers, or local MSMEs, they are able to apply theoretical knowledge, skills, and ethical awareness. In universities and colleges like UCC and WCC, a private school, the students engage in research extension linkages such as ICT support for public school or data-driven community profiling demonstrate higher level of problem-solving ability and civic responsibility. And these experiences align with SDG 4, quality education, by enhancing learning relevance while also fostering employability and social consciousness, providing that community engagement is not supplementary but integral to holistic, outcomes-based student development. Sustainable practices in higher education involves developing solutions that balance technological advancement, social equity, and environmental responsibility. Philippine universities had begun to operational this mandate in concrete ways. Institutions such as De La Salle University, Ateneo de Manila University actively model sustainable through research, campus operations, and curriculum integrations by embedding sustainability goals into institutional strategies, extension programs, and academic offerings. And these initiatives position universities not only as centers of learning, but as a living laboratories for sustainable development, aligned with national priorities and sustainable development goals. Academically, sustainable innovation requires the integration of sustainability principles across disciplines rather than combining them into the isolated courses. And this disciplinary approach prepares graduates to address sustainability issues in real-world context. So sustaining this innovation effort ultimately depends on institutional commitment and governance. Universities and colleges that establish clear sustainability strategies, performance indicators, and stakeholder engagement mechanisms such as sustainability office, green procurement policies, and LGU partnership are more successful in achieving long-term impact. Through aligning AI-driven innovation with institutional mission and societal goals, higher education institutions in the Philippines demonstrate that sustainability is not optional initiative, but a strategic and measurable responsibilities. Sustainable innovation in university extend beyond technological solutions to encompass governance, culture, and societal impact. It involves rethinking how institutions generate, apply, and disseminate knowledge in ways that promote long-term well-being. AI-enabled universities to align innovation with evidence-based decision-making, data-driven insights from informed policy development, resource allocation, and program evaluation, ensuring that innovation efforts are effective and accountable. Defining sustainable innovation also requires ethical reflection. Universities and colleges must consider issues of Data Privacy Act, algorithmic bias, and inclusivity when deploying AI technologies. Ethical frameworks and oversight mechanisms are essential to uphold academic values and public trust. So, implementing sustainable solutions within universities require translating strategic intent into operational action. While vision and policy frameworks provide direction, actual transformation occurs through institutional systems, processes, and day-to-day practices. Sustainable implementation, therefore, depends on coherent planning, stakeholder alignment, and continuous evaluation. Of course, AI plays an important role in operationalizing sustainability by supporting evidence-based decision-making. Through predictive analytics and real-time monitoring, universities and colleges can optimize resource allocation, resource utilization, manage campus operations efficiently, and assess the impact of sustainability initiatives. And these tools enable institutions to move beyond symbolic commitments toward measurable outcomes. Implementation also demands cross-unit collaboration. Academic departments, administrative units, and external partners must work together to ensure that sustainability initiatives are embedded across teaching, research, and operations. AI-enabled platforms facilitate coordination and transparency, reducing duplication and enhancing institutional coherence. Sustainable solutions succeed when leadership commitment is matched by organizational capacity. Investment in infrastructure, skills development, and governance mechanism ensures that sustainability is institutionalized rather than dependent on individual champions. Implementing sustainable solution in universities involves translating institutional commitments into coordinated long-term actions across academic, administrative, and operational domains. In general practice, universities and colleges adopt sustainability frameworks that integrate resource-efficient campus operations, environmentally responsible procurement, and data-informed planning to reduce waste and optimize energy and water use. At the academic level, sustainability is embedded through curriculum design, interdisciplinary research initiative, and community-based projects that encourage students and faculty to apply sustainability principles in real-world context. Effective implementation also relies on institutional governance mechanisms such as sustainability offices, performance indicators, and continuous monitoring system, which ensure accountability and align with institutional missions. Through these integrated approaches, universities demonstrate how sustainable solutions can be operationalized as part of everyday decision-making, reinforcing the role as responsible and future-ready situation. Future-ready depends, or future-ready institution depends on future-ready educators. Faculty members play a central role in shaping learning environments. So research cultures and institutional innovation. Preparing educators for AI-enabled and sustainability-oriented education requires continuous professional growth and support. So AI can support faculty development by providing personalized training pathways, teaching analytics, and collaborative learning platforms. These tools help educators adopt pedagogical approaches, integrate technology meaningfully, and engage in reflective practice rather than replacing academic expertise. AI augments educators' capacity to innovate. Professional readiness also involves developing competency beyond technical skills. Educator must cultivate ethical reasoning, interdisciplinary thinking, and adaptability. And these competencies enable faculty to guide students in navigating uncertainty and complexity in AI-driven society. Institution must recognize and reward professionals, development efforts, promote policies, workloads, promote policy, workload models, and recognition systems should value innovation in teaching, research, and community engagement, ensuring sustained faculty commitment. The evolving demands of 21st century workforce require universities to prioritize transferable and future-oriented skills. Critical thinking, problem solving, digital literacy, and adaptability are essential for graduates navigating dynamic and technology-intensive environments. Beyond technical proficiency, universities and colleges must emphasize ethical and civic competencies. Graduates should be equipped to make responsible decisions, engage in inclusive innovation, and contribute positively to society. AI integration must therefore be guided by human-centered educational principles. Curriculum alignment is essential to ensure skill development is systematic and intentional. So, to the deans, learning outcomes, assessment strategies, and instructional methods must be coherently designed to support holistic graduate attributes. So preparing future-ready educators require universities to move beyond traditional faculty training and adopt smart, adaptive, and practice-oriented development models that reflects the realities of digital and data-driven learning environment. A realistic example is when universities implement AI-supported faculty development program that use learning analytics from learning management system to help educator analyze student engagement, assessment patterns, and learning gaps. Through these insights, the faculty members are guided to redesign instructional strategies, integrate technology meaningfully, and adopt flexible pedagogies such as blended learning and problem-based institution. Okay. Another practical approach is the micro-credentialing and modular professional development for educators. Universities increasingly offer short, stackable courses on topics such as AI in teaching, digital assessment, inclusive education, research ethics. And these programs allow educators to upskill continuously while balancing teaching and research responsibility, ensuring that professional growth is aligned with emerging education demands. So continuous professional education or professional development is fundamental to institutional resilience in rapidly changing environments. As AI technologies and sustainability challenges evolve, educators and administrators must engage in lifelong learning to remain effective and relevant. AI supports continuous professional development by enabling flexible, data-driven learning opportunities. Personalized learning platforms, micro-credentials, and online communities of practice allow professionals to update skills while balancing academic responsibilities. Institutional support is critical to sustain professional development initiatives. Universities and colleges must allocate resources, provide incentives, and foster cultures that value learning and innovation. Leadership commitment signals the importance of professional growth in achieving institutional goals. Continuous development also strengthens institutional adaptability. Universities and colleges with learning-oriented culture are better positioned to respond to external changes, innovate responsibly, and maintain academic excellence. Continuous professional development in higher education is most effective when it personalized, data-informed, and embedded in everyday academic practice rather than treated as a one-time training requirement. A smart and realistic example is when universities use learning analytics from their learning management system in teaching evaluation to identify specific faculty development needs, such as improving student engagement in online classes or enhancing assessment design. Based on these insights, institutions offer targeted workforce or coaching sessions, allowing educators to immediately apply new strategies in their courses and reflect on the outcomes. Again, as I mentioned, another practical approach is the adoption of micro-credentials and short certification programs. Focus on emerging competencies such as AI-assisted teaching, digital research tools, and data ethics, and outcomes-based education. And these modular programs enabled our faculty members to upskill continuously without disrupting teaching and research responsibility. Institutions that recognize these micro-credentials in promotion and performance evaluation systems create strong incentives for sustained professional growth. Universities also support continuous development through communities of practice and peer mentoring, where faculty members regularly share experiences, teaching innovations, and research strategies. So, CPD becomes sustainable when institutions align it with institutional strategy and career progression. The future of higher education envisions universities as adaptive, inclusive, and socially responsible institutions. AI-enabled systems support personalized training, impactful research, and sustainable operations, positioning universities as catalysts for societal progress. And this vision emphasizes integration rather than fragmentation. Teaching, research, and community engagement are interconnected functions aligned with institutional mission and global development goals. AI facilitates coherent by enabling data-driven alignment and collaboration. Universities of the future must also uphold ethical leadership, responsible AI governance, data privacy, and equity considerations are integral to maintaining public trust and academic integrity. Strategic foresight and long-term planning ensures that universities remain relevant and resilient. Vision-driven leadership enables institutions to navigate uncertainty while advancing educational and societal mission. So, the future of research in local universities is anchored to the transformation of this institution into community responsive, data-informed, and innovation-driven knowledge centers. Moving forward, LUCs are envisioned to produce research that is not only academically sound, but also directly aligned with local government priorities, such as education quality, urban sustainability, public health, digital inclusion, and livelihood generation. This vision supports CHED direction of strengthening research relevance and utilization, particularly institutions that serve geographically and socio-economically diverse communities. Under the guidance of CHED, research and LUCs will increasingly emphasize applied, interdisciplinary, and extension-linked studies. Rather than focusing solely on theoretical outputs, LUC research agenda are expected to generate policy-relevant evidence and practical solutions that inform LGU decision-making and public service delivery. I believe through institutionalizing research extension integration, LUCs can bridge the gap between academic inquiry and real-world impact, reinforcing your role as a strategic partner in local and regional development. The future research landscape also envisions that the strategic use of digital tools and artificial intelligence to enhance research productivity, quality, and accessibility. CHED support for digital transformation enables LUCs to adopt data analytics, research management system, and collaborative platforms that streamline research processes and foster inter-institutional collaboration. These technologies empower faculty and student researchers to conduct evidence-based studies even with limited resources, promoting equity in research opportunity. Capacity building remains central to this vision. CHED-supported initiative in research mentoring, faculty development, and research ethics will strengthen the ability of LUCs to sustain quality research culture. Early career researchers and graduate students will benefit from structured mentoring, collaborative research networks, and incentives that encourage publication, innovation, and community impact. This ensures continuity and resilience in research development across institutions. The vision for the future positioning LUCs as essential contributors to the national research ecosystem, completing state and private university through their strong community linkages and contextual expertise. Embracing change is a defining challenge for contemporary universities and colleges. Technological disruption, shifting societal expectation, and global uncertainty requires institutions to move beyond incremental adjustment toward transformative change. AI serves as both a driver and enabler of change. When integrated strategically, AI support organizational learning, scenario planning, and strategic foresight. Universities and colleges can anticipate trends, evaluate alternatives, and make informed decisions in uncertain environments. Change management requires inclusive leadership and transparent communication. Faculty, staff, and students must be engaged as partner in transformation rather than passive recipient. Trust and shared purpose are essential for sustaining change initiative. Embracing change involves cultivating institutional mindset that value experimentation, learning from failure, and continuous improvement. These cultural attributes are as important as technological capabilities. Embracing change in higher educational requires LUCs to adopt adaptive strategies that respond to evolving educational demands, technological advancement, and community needs while remaining aligned with CHED policies and quality standards. For LUCs, this means modernizing teaching and research practices through digital transformation, flexible learning modalities, and data-informed decision-making, even within resource constraints. Through strengthening faculty capacity, integrating applied and community-based research, and fostering partnership with LGUs and industry, LUCs can navigate change proactively rather than reactively. Embracing change also involves cultivating an institutional culture that values innovation, continuous improvement, and responsive to local development priorities, enabling LUCs to remain relevant, resilient, and socially impactful in a rapidly changing higher education landscape. Last slide. This concludes with a call to action for educators, academic leaders, and institutions. Future readiness requires intentional strategies, collaborative leadership, and sustained investment in people and systems. Educators are encouraged to engage proactively with AI in sustainability initiatives, embracing innovation while upholding academic values. Reflective practice, interdisciplinary collaboration, and community engagement are essential components of meaningful transformation. Institutional leaders must create enabling environments through supportive policies, resource allocation, and ethical governance. Aligning incentives with innovation and impact ensures sustained commitment across the organization. Universities have the capacity to shape inclusive and sustainable futures. In order to achieve their social mandate and make a lasting impact on society, institutions must carefully integrate AI. The call to action for educators and institutions is to move beyond incremental adjustment and commit to purposeful, collaborative, and evidence-based transformation in higher education. Educators are encouraged to continuously update their pedagogical and research practices by integrating digital tools, interdisciplinary approaches, and community-engaged learning while upholding ethical and academic standards. At the institutional level, leader must create enabling environments through supportive policies, capacity-building programs, and strategic partnership aligned with shared mandates and local development goals. Through working collectively, educators, administrators, stakeholders, higher education institutions can strengthen resilience, enhance relevance, and ensure that teaching, research, and extension efforts contribute meaningfully to inclusive and sustainable societal development. In closing, this presentation, this talk has explored how universities can become future-ready through strategic AI integration and sustainable innovation. It emphasized the importance of aligning technology, pedagogy, research, and governance within a coherent institutional framework. Future readiness is not destination, but an ongoing process of learning, adoption, and collaboration. Institutions that commit to continuous improvement and ethical leadership are best positioned to navigate complexity and uncertainty. As academic leaders and educators, the responsibility lies in shaping learning environment that empowers students, advance knowledge, and serve society. AI, when guided by human values, can support this mission effectively. Thank you for your time and engagement. I hope this talk provides valuable insights and inspire collective action toward building future-ready, sustainable university. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Stay safe.